Hello everybody, my name is Micah and welcome to Mike's coding class. Today we're going to learn how to create the Microsoft logo with animation like this. If you refresh, it's going to give you this animation. So if you weren't here with us in the last Microsoft video, so we're going to do this from scratch like this. So I've opened a file, two files, HTML and CSS right here, and let's open it. I've opened the HTML file. So we're gonna save this. We're gonna title this Microsoft logo animation. So if we save and refresh here, it says Microsoft logo animation right over here. So now let's say I'm gonna put a div, then we're gonna call this micro, and inside that div we're gonna centralize this. I'm gonna say div red. I'm gonna leave it like that. Another div, we're gonna call it green. I'm gonna put a break here, break right over here, and the next one I'm gonna call this div blue, and the last div we need to do is div gold. So right below all this div we're gonna say div space, and we're gonna centralize this also Microsoft. So if we save, move back and refresh, you don't see much. It's just the Microsoft right here. So now let's style this with our CSS. So let's link it, link.css. So if we save and move to our CSS, I'm gonna say body padding 0, margin also 0, and that's all. So now we're gonna say micro. First things we're gonna say is width 50%. Okay, we won't need this for now. So we're gonna say red width 50 pixel, height also 50 pixel, background color red, display inline block, and position relative, and then I'm gonna say left 400. So save that, move back here and refresh. Now you see a red box right over there. So we're gonna do the same thing for this color, green. We can just copy this, paste it, change this to green, put this as green yellow, and change this from left to top. So save, move back here to our animation, and it's green and red. So the next ones we're gonna do is blue, change this to sky blue, save that, refresh, but it's not in the correct angle. The left is it's gonna be right 400, right 400. So the last thing you need to do is gold. Change this from red to gold. Gold. Change the color also to gold. And this left is going to be bottom. So if we save that, refresh, and now you see we're looking like a Microsoft. So we need some margin over here. We're gonna say margin 11%. Pushing it down. Yeah, that's good. And now to design our title, I'm gonna say span, and that'll be font size 6.1 rem, font weight, bold, font family, and last but not least, color white. So if we save that and refresh, I think we made an error in the HTML part. Yeah, we just centralized this, so we're gonna put it as span, and we're gonna close it right here. Save that, refresh, and now the color is white. It's clearly big, but the color is white. It's not supposed to be white, it's supposed to be silver. Refresh, and now the color is silver, and we're looking good. And now we need to style this, our micro div dot micro. First thing we're gonna say width 50%, height 50%, background color black, position relative, and we don't need this position relative. So if we save, refresh, and now you see this is black. So guys, now we're gonna say display to move everything center, inside, flex, justify content, center, align items, also center. So if we save that and refresh, you can see is centralized. So yeah, we're having an error. So before we fix that error, we're gonna say right at the bottom, we're gonna put our space div dot space, and then we're gonna say width will be 30 pixel, height 150 pixel. Save and refresh. Now you see there's a space. So guys, now let's see. Guys, we still have an error over here. So we don't need that margin at the top. We're gonna put this as 3%. I'm gonna put a margin inside our micro div, and that'll be 11%. So if we save that and refresh, now you see this is in order. So now just for the animation, which we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna say right at the bottom, we're gonna say keyframes, we're gonna say block. This is just for red. We're gonna say 0% left equal to 400 pixel, and then 100% left oh, this is not supposed to be brackets, supposed to be curling brackets, left, and that'll be -1 pixel. So if we save that and refresh, we won't see anything. So until we impute that animation right in the red. So we're gonna say animation block 2 seconds, and that's it. Refresh, and now you see our block is moving from this side to where we want it to be. And if you refresh, it keeps doing that. So now let's do some for the others. So we can just put that same animation, because all the blocks are gonna move from the left side to our logo position. So we're gonna copy this, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna say block 2. That's for green. That's top. For top, that'll be 400 pixel, and then top in 100%, and that's gonna be just 1 pixel. So let's impute the code. I'm gonna say animation block 2 seconds. So if we save and refresh, and now you see they're coming from different directions. Right as we refresh, it comes. So now let's do the rest for blue and yellow. So we're gonna paste this again, block 3. We're gonna say top right, right, that will be 400 pixel, and right here will be 1 pixel. Imputing the code. Animation block 3 2 seconds. Save, refresh, and I see they're coming from different angles. So the last thing we need to do is animation for yellow and the background. So we can copy this, Control V. It's block 4, and the left for 0%. The bottom for 0% is gonna be 400, and the bottom for 100% is gonna be 1 pixel. So if we move back and refresh, we didn't impute code, and gold animation block 4 2 seconds. So if we refresh, and now you see I think we made an error there. Bottom 400 block 4. Oh, it's supposed to be -1. Yeah, -1. Refresh. We still have an error. Okay guys, we found the error right here. This is not supposed to be at the beginning, it's supposed to be at the end right here. So if we save and refresh, now you see it's coming together like this. And the last thing we need to do here is the background. Is the background. And we can just do that with keyframes also. Keyframes full. Then we're gonna say 0% background color white, and then at 100% background color black. So now we're gonna impute that code over here. We're gonna say animation full 3 seconds, and that's it. Refresh, and now everything's coming together like so. So this is the end of this video. So if you like, subscribe, try to do more of these on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any videos, you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah, and this was Micah's Coding Class. Thank you.